Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix your mouse scroll wheel if it's going up and down or even jumping. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, as you can see here, we have these gaps, okay, left and right besides the scroll wheel. Now, dust will build up, okay, from time to time. So what you're going to do in here is just go ahead and blow some air. If you have a can of compressed air, well, that's beautiful. Go ahead and use it. Blow some air in here and blow some air in here as well. If you don't have a can of compressed air, well, go ahead and use nature, okay? Use your mouth. Blow some air, blow it real hard, okay? Blow from left, blow from right, and after that, go ahead and check it out if it helps, okay? Now, if that still won't work, the issue might be on your Windows settings. Well, go ahead and open up the search bar and type down mouse settings. Click on mouse settings right here. And then after that, you're going to want to go ahead and find scrolling and lines to scroll at a time right here. Make sure that you set this one 5 below, okay? As 5 above, well, that causes your scroll wheel to go up and down as the sensitivity goes up as well, okay? Also, scrolling direction, make sure down motion scrolls down, okay? Not the other way around. Now you have here roll the mouse wheel to scroll multiple lines at a time or one screen at a time. Make sure that you select multiple lines at a time. And after that, go ahead and check your mouse or scroll wheel and you should be fine. Now, if all else fails, the issue might be on the mouse itself. Okay, well, you can go ahead and get it repaired, or if it's still under warranty, you can go ahead and get it replaced. And that's it for now. I hope this video helps. I'll see you in the next one.